Hello and welcome back to another episode of AJP Car Care. This is again another slightly different video for me. It is detailing related, but it's not automotive detailing related. Just because we have been hit by a weather system which they're calling the beast from the east. So, yeah, I don't know, inverted commas. So yeah, we have some sub-zero temperatures at the moment, and the UK is getting hit by quite a lot of snow. So if you're not from the UK, you probably don't know that unless it's made world news. But if you are from the UK, I hope you're doing alright with the snow and it's not going to cause you too much disruption like it has to me. So yeah, because of the snow and all the weather systems, I am not doing any cars this week. I have cancelled everything. I have just taken some time to do stuff for me and watch a few movies, play a bit of Xbox, you know the way guys do things. I am still firefighting though, and we did get tipped out this morning, but it's all good, so we are still keeping the world safe, or our local area safe anyway. So today, I've recently just got a new iPhone 10. Yeah, so we are going to call it the 10, not the X, because it is the 10. Apple like to call it the 10, and we won't go into that before I start ranting. So yeah, new iPhone 10. The back of the iPhone 10 is a gloss grey, so it's really shiny, really glossy, and the first thing I thought when I saw it, I was like, well, that's going to get marked up and scratched quickly. Like, do you remember the old iPods? I'll put a picture of one up, but the old iPods were awful with the silver back. They used to get scratched up to hell. So yeah, what I decided to do was thinking, well, I'd put protective coatings on cars which are supposed to be a bit more scratch resistant. Why do I not use that on my new phone? So I've decided to ceramic coat my iPhone. So what I'm going to be using, we have two products that I'm going to be using on this iPhone. The first one is Gyeon Q2 Pure. So this is just left over from a job which I had a couple of weeks ago. So the reason why I've got this is because it's hard. It's got a lot of hardness. In an ideal world I would have used Mohs, but I haven't got any Mohs open, so I've only got them in the kits. And Mohs only works really well when you're infrared curing, because it likes the heat, it likes being warm and humid. I didn't really want to put my new iPhone under a 60-degree lamp and leave it to bake, so I decided to go for Pure because it still is a single layer coating, but it really does enhance the gloss. It gives you that water behaviour, but I'm not really going to see that as much on this phone. But it's still got hardness. So it's a hardness which will be achieved and can achieve much better through air drying. So that is the reason why I chose Pure. Other one is going to be from the Gyeon Q2 View set. So this is a new box which I got for a car to do next week. But we're going to be using one part of that called Repel. So Repel is the hydrophobic glass coating. The other thing that's in the box is Cleanse, which is more of a glass polish / cleaner to remove any body contaminants from the surface which you're going to be applying to. So yeah, we're going to go for Repel. So what we're going to do, we're going to clean the iPhone down. We're going to use some panel wipe, make sure it's really nice and clean. I don't really feel like I need to polish it, so if I was going to polish it, I'd get my 1-inch polisher and I could give the back a polish. I've actually just turned it on, which I didn't mean to. But what we're going to do is we're going to get this coated, ready, and then we're going to leave it to dry, and then I'm going to show you some after pit images. I'm not going to let you see the drying process because I'm going to leave it for a whole day, so about 12 hours before I do the images of the after. So just before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel. So I'll have an audience to show my videos to, because I quite enjoy this as a hobby and I like actually having some people to show it to. If you've already subscribed, thank you very much. It means a lot to me. I've hit 100 subscribers in the last week or so. Make sure to like this video if you like what I'm doing with my iPhone 10. If you don't like what I'm doing with my iPhone 10, give me a thumbs down, but make sure to put a little comment in the comment box where I can improve and what you want to see from my videos, rather than just give me a thumbs down and I don't know why. So yes, so we're going to coat this phone and let's get on with the show. one ceramic coated iPhone 10. So we've used Gyeon Pure and then Gyeon Repel. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. Any comments, drop me a comment below in the comment box. I will be leaving you with a little bit of water behaviour test to show you how the coating's reacting to water on the phone. Thank you for watching. I've been Aaron, this has been AJP Car Care, and I'll see you again soon for another video.